Your floors don't have to cost a fortune to look amazing. In today's video, I'm showing you 5 simple and affordable ways to redo your floors. No contractor, no heavy tools, and no crazy budget required. Whether you rent or own your home, these DIY projects can totally transform your space for under $200. Let's get started. First up, peel and stick vinyl tiles. These are one of the easiest ways to upgrade an old floor. They come in all kinds of styles: wood, marble, stone, and you can cut them with simple scissors. All you need is a clean surface, peel off the backing, and press them into place. They're perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. Next, luxury vinyl planks, or LVP. This stuff looks just like real hardwood, but it's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and snaps together without nails or glue. If you can put together a puzzle, you can install LVP. It's great for bedrooms or living rooms and gives that new build look on a budget. Now here's one of my favorites: painting and stenciling your floors. If you've got old tile or concrete, you can totally refresh it with a coat of paint and a stencil pattern. Go for a farmhouse look, geometric pattern, or even faux marble. The options are endless. Just don't skip the clear sealant so it lasts. If you already have wood floors, don't replace them, refresh them. A light sand and a new coat of stain or whitewash can completely change the look. Use an orbital sander for even results and always finish with a clear coat to protect the surface. And the easiest fix of all, carpet tiles or a big area rug. Carpet tiles stick together like puzzle pieces and can cover damaged flooring fast. Or just roll out a large area rug. It adds warmth, hides flaws, and defines the space without any tools at all. Quick bonus tips: use threshold strips between rooms, add foam underlayment for soundproofing, and always leave a small gap around the walls for expansion. Small details make a big difference. And there you go, 5 simple and affordable flooring ideas anyone can do. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY home projects, and I'll see you in the next video.